This is a video on how to search for words in Flexspeak. This is a really good thing to show families and AAC users who can spell and write right away. This can help them find where words are and learn their AAC system much more quickly, and also learn how to model. So this example is going to be on the English side. I did try to search things even if you have the keyboard in other languages. It didn't really work well for me, so let me know if the search feature worked well if you were searching in other languages. But right now I'm going to search using the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner. And you can look up any word. If the word doesn't exist, it just won't show up. So I'm going to look up a word that I know that I have looked up before, so I know it exists, and that is swim. It's going to go to activity, sports, and swim. It also gives you the grammatical options, and so you can change it to swimming or something like that later. And you saw that when I searched swim, it also gave those options, but if you click on it, it's going to still send you that route and give you the option that has the grammar element added later on.
Swimming, swims.
And so if you wanted to try to search a word that doesn't exist, so let's say you're searching a family member and you don't know if someone else added it. So it'll say no matches found, and that will be your cue to then go and add that button. And you want to make sure that when you're adding the button, you go under the right category, and that's something that we'll talk about in the video about adding or editing your page set.